future also. March 8th, papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan, papers laid. Papers laid. Papers laid on the table. Then. Moka dunga.
Chairman sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues and other colleagues, Sri Prakash Javadekar ji, Sri Prahlad Joshi ji, Sri Mansukh Mandviya ji, Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, General Retired V.K. Singh ji, Sri Babul Supriyo ji and Sri Ratanlal Kataria ji, I lay the papers listed against their names from serial number 1 to 7 in today's list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 12th of February 2021 passed the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021. B. Had agreed to the amendments made by the Rajya Sabha to the Major Port Authorities Bill 2021 at its sitting held on the 10th of February 2021. And 2. On the 13th of February 2021 had agreed without any amendment to the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2021, which was passed by the Rajya Sabha at its sitting held on the 8th of February 2021. I lay a copy of the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha on the table.
Reports of the Department to Parliament Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav.
श्रीमान, मैं आपकी अनुमति से स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। नंबर 1, स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण विभाग की अनुदान मांगों 2020-21 के संबंध में 118वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्गत सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी 125वां प्रतिवेदन। 2, स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण विभाग, स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2021-22 के संबंध में 126वां प्रतिवेदन। स्वास्थ्य अनुसंधान विभाग, जो स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय के अंतर्गत ही है, की अनुदान मांगों 21-22 के संबंध में 127वां प्रतिवेदन। धन्यवाद।
Reports of the Department to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Jairam Ramesh.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to present the 341st, 342nd, 343rd, 344th, 345th, 346th and 347th reports, both in English and Hindi, of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forests and Climate Change on demand for grants for the financial year 21-22 of the Departments of Atomic Energy, Biotechnology, Scientific and Industrial Research, Science and Technology, Space and Ministries of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Earth Sciences respectively. Thank you.
Reports of the Department to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Dr. Sudhamsu Trivedi.
Sir, I wish to lay the copy each of the following reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Energy as listed against my name in today's list of business. 1. Sixth report on the demand of grants for 2021-22 relating to the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Second, seventh report on the demand of grants 2021-22 relating to the Ministry of Power.
Reports of the Department to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways. Sri Narhari Amin.
लोक सभा
Lok Sabha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध रेलवे संबंधी स्थायी समिति के प्रतिवेदनों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development. Sri Sushil Kumar Modi.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे यथा सूचीबद्ध आवासन और शहरी कार्य मंत्रालय की अनुदानों की मांगों 2021-2022 के संबंध में शहरी विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति 17वीं लोकसभा का 5वां प्रतिवेदन सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources. Sri Harshavardhan Singh Dungarpur.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table the 10th and 11th reports of the Standing Committee on Water Resources 2020-2021 as listed against my name in today's list of business. 1. 10th report on demand of grants 2021-22 of the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. 2. 11th report on demand of grants 2021-22 of the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation.
Honorable members, I have to inform the members that a letter has been received from Ripun Bora, member, stating that he is not able to attend the sittings of the House from March 8th to 8th April due to personal reasons. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence till the end of second part of the ongoing 253rd session of Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 8th March to 8th April during second part of the ongoing session of Rajya Sabha? The permission to remain absent is granted. Zero over. After that, we'll take it.